folks, I got a pole slash chainsaw from CC. It is a very good quality. It's 21 volt, comes with 2 batteries. It's 2 different ways you can use it. You can use it with the pole, which goes up to 20 feet, which I'll give you a quick preview. As you see, it cuts it right down. Otherwise, you can use it like this. Just like a little handheld one. Works well. Comes with an extra chain. Well worth the money. Be the last one you need. I'll have a link down below. Click on that orange shopping cart and get yours today. Thank you.